Hearties, thanks for subscribing to our channel. We've got over 1,000 now. Watch everything we've got. We've got over 1,200 videotapes out there on all kinds of food stuff, so watch it. Okay, now I'm calming down because I'm so excited. But today I am making, and Anthony will show you here on our workbench what we have. We are going to make the chicken breast bake with stuffing and some beautiful cream of mushroom and some mixed vegetables. And it's going to bake in the oven because we got a horrible storm going here where we live, and I hope you're all safe where you all are. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm using chicken breast. I've cut it into small pieces. And what we're going to do is layer the bottom. I already have half a box. Just get your regular 6-ounce box of stuffing, whatever kind you like. Turkey, chicken, cornbread, whatever brand you like, whatever you like, right? And then spray your baking dish and get half of that box on the bottom. You see it here, you can see it, right? Then the next thing we'll put will be our chicken on top of that. We'll just cover that with the chicken. Then we're going to mix our vegetables in with our cream of mushroom and cream of chicken soup. Okay, I'm going to mix them all together. And we're going to then cover the whole beautiful casserole. And then I'm going to puff this up with some hot water. And this will be our topping on the very top. So this is absolutely great. Weeknight, weekend, cold weather, turn on your oven time, okay? Because I don't use the gadgets and the gizmos here in Carpizzo's Kitchen. I like to use the old standby, which is what? The oven. So there we have it. This is Peter Carpizzo's. Thank you so much for everything you're doing. We appreciate it. Let's do more. Let's march on. Get on the bus. Let's go. Peter Carpizzo's is out.
Well, what about the Super Bowl?